Dancehall artist unknown Gringo shot in Trelawney. Businessman killed in Westgate's Hill, St. James. Over 30 homeless after fire razes houses in downtown Kingston. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Dancehall artist unknown Gringo was shot during a gun attack in Trelawney this morning. The corporate communications unit confirmed the shooting. Reports from a representative of the CCU stated that they are aware of a shooting involving a DJ in Trelawney, but have not yet confirmed the details as yet. Unknown Gringo is known for the songs Tank Up, Brawling Dead, Money Factory, and Shy featuring Jada Kingdom. More details to come. A businessman was shot and killed at his home in Westgate Hills, Montego Bay, St. James on Thursday morning. He has been identified as 34-year-old Sheldon Duhaney. Police reports are that about 1 a.m., Duhaney and his common-law wife drove home and were about to exit their vehicle when they were pounced upon by a lone gunman. The gunman opened fire, hitting Duhaney multiple times in his neck and chest before escaping. The police were summoned, and upon their arrival, Duhaney was rushed to the Cornell Regional Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. More than 30 people, including children, are now homeless after fire gutted 8 premises on West Street in downtown Kingston on Friday morning. Reports are that the fire started sometime after 8 a.m. and spread from West Street to Matthews Lane in Kingston. Firefighters are still trying to put out the blaze. More details to come.